Crispy rice treats may be a familiar commodity, but our version is a bounding leap above any kind of back-of-the-box recipe. Made with lower sugar, natural ingredients, and packed with superfoods from start to finish, this is one sweet snack with a whole lot of benefits. In a medium bowl, we'll add some low-sugar crispy brown rice cereal, along with a little cinnamon. For superfoods, we'll add some maca root powder for its adaptogenic qualities, some hemp seeds for some extra protein and vitamin E, and chia seeds for fiber and important omega-3 fatty acids. And we'll give this a light toss. Now, to a small pot, we'll combine some almond butter, along with some maple syrup, and some monk fruit sweetener or coconut sugar. We'll also add a little coconut oil and a touch of salt. We'll warm this over medium-low heat and cook for 5 minutes, stirring constantly to melt the ingredients and cook down the maple syrup just a bit. Once cooked, we'll turn off the heat and whisk in some vanilla extract. And then pour the mixture into the cereal bowl. And we'll mix this together very well, making sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now we'll oil and line an 8x8 pan with parchment. And transfer our crispy rice mixture inside, spreading it out into a nice, even layer. And then pressing everything firmly to really compact the mixture. You can also sprinkle in some antioxidant-rich cacao nibs if you wish, and press those in too. And then we'll refrigerate this for 1 hour to solidify. Finally, we'll decorate the top with a little melted dark chocolate and return to the refrigerator for a few minutes longer to let the chocolate cool. To serve, remove the treats from the pan and cut into 16 squares or any other fun shape you desire. Find this recipe and 99 more in my book Superfood Snacks, 100 delicious, energizing, and nutrient-dense recipes. Or grab the directions as well as bonus cooking tips at luminberry.com. Did you love this video? Give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.